TestoPlan, how to boost your testosterone naturally with nutrition and lifestyle. Testosterone is often seen as the ultimate male hormone, strongly linked to muscle growth, energy, and strength, but in reality, its role goes far beyond building muscle. Testosterone influences your motivation, your mental resilience, your ability to recover after stress, and even how you feel when you wake up in the morning. Many men notice that after the age of 30, their testosterone levels begin to gradually decline. This is natural, but lifestyle choices, poor nutrition, stress, lack of sleep, or even overtraining can accelerate this process. The result: low energy, reduced performance, less motivation, and a decrease in overall vitality. The good news is that you don't need synthetic hormones or artificial boosters to support your testosterone levels. With the right plan, focused on nutrition, movement, recovery, and lifestyle, you can naturally optimize your hormonal health. That is exactly why the TestoPlan from Natuurlijk Presteren is designed to do. So, what is the TestoPlan? The TestoPlan is a structured, evidence-based program built to help men restore balance, increase vitality, and feel stronger both physically and mentally. It is not a supplement or a quick fix product. Instead, it is a complement. It is a complete lifestyle framework that combines nutrition strategies to fuel hormone production, training principles to stimulate muscle and energy without overloading the body, recovery routines to ensure optimal sleep and stress reduction, mindset practices to keep you consistent and motivated. It's a plan created not only for athletes, but for every man who wants to regain control over his energy, productivity, and well-being. Why testosterone matters beyond muscle? While many associate testosterone with strength and physical performance, it has a much broader impact. Let's take a look at that. We got energy and vitality. Low testosterone often leads to fatigue and low motivation. Mood and mental clarity: it influences neurotransmitters and brain function, supporting confidence and focus. Sleep quality: testosterone and deep sleep are closely linked. Poor sleep produces testosterone, creating a vicious cycle. Recovery and resilience: testosterone helps the body repair itself after stress, whether physical or mental. Body composition: healthy testosterone levels support lean muscle and reduce the risk of excess fat storage. This is why optimizing testosterone naturally is not only about physical performance, but about overall health and longevity. Nutrition: building testosterone from the inside out. Food is fuel, but it is also a signal to your hormones. Certain nutrients are directly linked to testosterone production and hormonal balance. The TestoPlan focuses on practical nutrition strategies such as healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Cholesterol is a building block of testosterone, so healthy fats are essential. Proteins. High quality protein sources such as eggs, lean meat, legumes, and plant-based proteins help build and maintain muscle. Micronutrients. Minerals like zinc and magnesium play critical roles in hormone production. Leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, shellfish, and whole grains are excellent sources. Balanced carbs. Complex carbohydrates from sweet potatoes, oats, and whole grains provide sustainable energy and prevent hormonal crashes. Avoiding processed foods, excess sugar, alcohol, and heavily processed, processed fats can suppress testosterone and promote inflammation. Movement and training. Exercise is one of the most powerful natural stimulants for testosterone production, but only if done right. Overtraining, excessive cardio, or lack of recovery can have the opposite effect. TestoPlan provides guidelines such as strength training, heavy compound lifts like squats, deadlifts, and presses stimulates testosterone production. High intensity intervals or HIIT, short bursts of intense improvement of intense effort, improve cardiovascular health and hormone balance without training the body. Moderation, training hard but allowing proper recovery is key. Long, punishing workouts may increase cortisol, the stress hormone, which suppresses testosterone. Consistency. A structured routine is more important than intensity alone. Recovery and stress management. Stress is one of the biggest testosterone killers. Elevated cortisol directly lowers testosterone production. The TestoPlan emphasizes recovery practices that help your body reset. Sleep optimization, 7 to 9 hours of consistent high quality sleep supports testosterone. Practices include reducing screen time, creating a sleep-friendly environment, and using relaxation techniques. Stress management, breathing exercises, meditation, or simply spending time in nature lower cortisol levels. Active recovery, light movements such as walking, stretching, or yoga can improve circulation and reduce tension without stressing the body. Mindset and long-term consistency. Hormonal balance is not created overnight. The TestoPlan is about long-term consistency, not quick fixes. That is why mindset is a crucial part of the program. Small daily choices, these small actions add up to lasting change. The story behind Avora Nature and Natuurlijk Presteren. The TestoPlan is part of a larger mission shared by two brands, Avora Nature and Natuurlijk Presteren. Avora Nature focuses on high-quality natural supplements designed to support health, recovery, and performance. Their philosophy is that nature provides everything we need to thrive. Natuurlijk Presteren goes behind supplements. It delivers lifestyle programs, coaching, and practical plans like the TestoPlan, helping individuals integrate natural principles into daily life. Together, they provide a holistic approach: nutrition, lifestyle, mindset, and supplementation, all grounded in science and practice. Why the TestoPlan is a smart choice. It is 100% natural safe, no synthetic hormones or artificial boosters, practical and applicable in everyday life, supported by science and refined through real-world results. Part of a sustainable vision for health and performance. Start today if you want to naturally support your testosterone and unlock more energy, focus, and vitality. The TestoPlan is your guide. Learn more about the program in our link below. Explore additional resources and support and natural support at avoranature.com. Use code AVORANATURE10 at checkout to receive 10% of your first order. And a final note, the TestoPlan is focused on lifestyle interventions and does not replace medical diagnosis or treatment. Always consult a specialist if you experience health issues or suspect a medical condition. Health starts with nature. By aligning your nutrition, movement, and lifestyle, you can build a foundation of strength and energy that lasts a lifetime. And as always, stay natural, stay Avora,